For mounting the bed frame to the sides of the panel van, I decided to use riv nuts. The two side rails for the bed frame just clamp together, so I can cut them at the same time so that they're exactly the same length. Just going to measure the right length quick. Doing the drawer system first actually had an unexpected positive impact, because now I just leave all my tools on top of the drawer system. If I want to work at the back, I have access at the back, all my tools are here. If I want to work on this side, I just push it back and I work from the outside, all my tools are still within reach. Quite a nice unexpected feature. So the first riv nut is in, just 7 more to go. Drawer system is in, we've got some nice crates in here, the rails on the sides are mounted. Now we have to put the crossbars on specific intervals to get the weight distribution correctly. And I've got this section, making my own square brackets or L brackets to mount. I'll be drilling the holes and putting up the first one right in front. Okay, the bed rails are in. These also made of aluminium square tubing, mounted on the rail on the side. These L brackets I made myself from just cutting a 70mm angled aluminum. Pretty sturdy, but it still needs the support uprights to come in here. That will be the next step, to mount all these uprights, make the bed nice and sturdy. Main bed frame skeleton almost completed. All the vertical supports are installed except for the right in the front. Still need the carpentry to go in there to get it nice and straight. All these supports are in. Busy putting in the rails for the secondary drawer system that goes on top of this one. There. The weather caught up with us this weekend a little bit, so I wasn't able to really work for most of the weekend. It was raining outside, so I had these drawer boxes manufactured for me. So we varnished them today, and there's the drawer going on top of the box drawer system. There's also another one of the same size going on in the front. It's going to slide into that cabinet in the front there. And while we were waiting for the weather to clear, we started with the radio installation. Put the Android radio installed. Just need to get the rear view camera connected. here we can see that's the bed platform completed. This is still open here for the wiring, so I can do the wiring easily. This opens up, I put in these cam stays so it can stay open. It's open all the way to the top, I'll just drop it down again. Works pretty nice. Next will be the electrical. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and watch out for the next video. Should be on the way soon. Cheers.